Welcome to this painting. Today we're going to paint circles. We're just going to play and just fill up the page with circles. We're going to let go of all expectations and enjoy the process. Today I'm going to use some amethyst to help me connect to my intuition and some selenite just for some higher vibrational energy. I also have my intuition blend from my essential oils that will help to connect me to my intuition and to my body. I like to just rub it on my pulse points and breathe it in. I made this mantra to remind you to just let yourself play, and this is available for you to download for your own personal use in the link below. Just print it, cut it out, and place it on your desk as a reminder. Today I have my flat brush and my water with some obsidian in it to charge and clear it. And then I have my palette full of colors. Remember, you can use any colors that you want. It's totally up to you. Let's begin by taking some deep cleansing breaths. The purpose of this painting is to relax and get into a peaceful space to calm your nervous system and release your fears. We're going to let go of our attachment to the outcome and just play. So I have my colors here, and I'm just going to kind of wave my brush over the colors and let my intuition decide where I want to start. And then I'm just going to dip my brush in and start painting. Remember, there are no right or wrongs here. Just opportunities to make beautiful paintings, to relax, and just to have a quiet little escape. Remember, you can use any color you'd like. Your circles can be big or little, thin, thick. You can make dark circles or light circles. It's completely up to you. As you paint, focus on the sensation of your brush against the paper, the sound of the paint spreading, the flow of your movement. Be present with your painting. As you paint the circles, notice how they interact with each other, how they create patterns and rhythms. Let yourself get lost in the process without trying to control or judge your work. Pay attention to your body throughout the process and see how it feels as you fill up your paper. Once you start to feel your energy wane, then it's just simply time to stop painting. As you finish your circle painting, take in a deep cleansing breath and feel yourself in your body. Feel yourself in your surroundings and see the beautiful painting that you created. A painting that was created from a place of peace, not worry and fear. Thank you for joining me for this painting meditation. If you'd like to know more about the color palette I used in this painting, follow the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the like button, and ring that magical bell to get notified of new content. Thank you.